agenda is the Cuban Missile Crisis that took place in 1962.
In this committee, in today's world, cyber attacks are taking place.
This year, the agenda of UNSC committee is Israel-Palestine conflict.
Having the agenda space debris and its danger to international satellites.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं सुरागी लाल न्यूज चैनल और मैं हूं आपके साथ उन्जुला फातिमा। इस वक्त हम मौजूद है काशिफपुर के लिटिल स्कॉलर स्कूल में और जैसा कि आप सभी को विदित है कि कल जो है यहां पर LSMUN होने जा रहा है जिसमें अमित टंडन एज चीफ गेस्ट पहुंच रहे हैं। हमारे साथ यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स मौजूद हैं, अलग अलग कमिटीज से बच्चे हैं, उनसे जानेंगे कि क्या ये कमेटी है और किस तरह से जो ये इवेंट है, जो ये स्टूडेंट लेड इवेंट है, इसको बच्चे किस तरह से मैनेज कर रहे हैं।
Hello everybody, my name is Pragati and I'm from the CCC committee. The CCC stands for Continuous Crisis Committee. In this committee, we are allotted different portfolios and my portfolio is Austria. In this committee, we give our point of views in the crisis that happened in the world. Like our agenda is the Cuban Missile Crisis that took place in 1962. And in this committee we find resolutions and solutions for the upcoming crisis also, and we try our best that these crises should not come in future times. Thank you.
Greetings of the day, everyone. I'm Kwesa and from UNCSTD, which stands for United Nations Commission on Science and Technology for Development, and my portfolio is Germany. In this committee, in today's world, cyber attacks are taking place, and from terrorist propaganda to state-sponsored espionage, it is always pointed towards global security. In this committee, we are discussing that how we will improve cyber laws for security of our own systems, and we will ensure that our infrastructures are also safe. Thank you.
I am Ayushman Jakar from the UN CND committee. CND stands for Commission of Narcotic Drugs. The agenda of our committee is the global phenytoin crisis. Phenytoin is a synthetic opioid drug which is mainly used for pain management. It binds to the receptors in our brain and reduces the sensation of pain. In this committee, we offer solutions and we have discussions on how this phenytoin situation can be improved and how we can progress on it.
Okay. आप क्या बताना चाहोगे?
Greetings of the day, everyone. I'm Aryan Bansal, a member of UNSC committee. So UNSC stands for United Nations Security Council, which is among the topmost councils and commissions in UN. So this year the agenda of UNSC committee is Israel-Palestine conflict. We are aware that most of the conflicts are happening in today's world right now, like Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Palestine. But today the UN is not able to find solutions to that. And that is why we gather here under UNSC banner to discuss about Israel-Palestine conflict and to find a resolution for that can be applicable to the current situation.
Hello everybody, I am Yati. I am from the SPECPOL committee, having the agenda space debris and its danger to international satellites. This is an agenda which is not normalized. We never talk about it. But here we are representing students of different schools are coming and representing different countries, talking about UN policies and their contribution about the issue, as this is really a severe issue, not only for the future satellites, but also for our human development. Thank you.
Greetings of the day, everyone. My name is Sarthak Singh and I am from IPL committee. We all are very familiar with IPL. It's one of the most famous and the biggest T20 league across the world, and in which players participate from outside India and even from India. We got new talent, a place where innovation meets. So in this IPL committee, we are going to have IPL auction. In IPL auction, there would be 10 different teams, and different teams would be buying different players so that they can make their team for the upcoming season.
Greetings everyone, I am Daksh Chauhan from the Wizarding World Committee. This committee is mainly based on the Harry Potter series, in which the global wizards and witches are gathering together to have strategies and new solutions that how can they stop the rise of the Dark Lord. Dark Lord is someone who also uses the Dark Wizard in this committee. Thank you.
From the committee UNW, and my name is Rishika Agarwal. Our agenda is women health and reproductive rights. In today's world, the most essential thing to focus on is women health and reproductive rights. It's a very controversial thing, but it is very important in today's world. Like, we also know that in rural areas, women are forced to be behind a wheel. They are not given their reproductive rights. They do not have the choice to talk about their own body, like to make decisions about their own body. So that's what we focus on, and we also focus on the mental health, the physical health of women, that because they led our generation now.
यहाँ बिल्कुल, तो ये थे हमारे साथ स्टूडेंट्स जो सभी एक एक कमेटी को एक एक स्टूडेंट ने यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट किया और बताया। काफ़ी सारे इश्यूज़ को लेकर यहाँ पर बात होने वाली है, चाहे हो वुमेन राइट्स की बात हो, क्राइसिस की बात हो, या फिर जो करंट वॉर चल रहा है इजराइल पैलेस्टीन वॉर उसकी बात हो, या फिर स्पेस डेब्रिस की बात हो। ऐसे ऐसे टॉपिक्स जो है इन बच्चों ने उठा रखे हैं जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी है आज के टाइम में, चाहे बात करें साइबर सिक्योरिटी की हो। अब आपको जो है LSMUN की पूरी कवरेज जो है सुरागीलाल न्यूज़ चैनल के माध्यम से कल देखने को भी मिल जाएगी। बने रहिए हमारे साथ।